Can I ask you something? All these like memories and timelines. How do you decide what's real? Look around, figure out what you believe is true right now, and just commit to it.
All the homies is out today. Hey, buddy. One of the most apex predators in nature. They got the highest percentage of successful hunts. So shout out to the dragonfly. Also connected to the fairy energy on the esoteric nature vibes. Again, like the fairy kingdom, the plant kingdom, the elementals in nature that's connected with, literally, it might sound nasty when I say it like that, but you know, like nature is connected with the genital areas, like in nature, you know what I'm saying? And you could think of, you know, these energies like the spirits that surround the genital area to some extent, you know what I'm saying? Hence why some of them are depicted, whether it's anime, you know, different pictures and stuff, you know, anime movies, you know, cartoons where they kind of half dressed, you know, Tinkerbell kind of barely got on clothes, like fairies had this seductive look, you know, because they're from the genital area, aka nature. I done talked about this before multiple times. Go find the video.